Hello and welcome to the channel Learn English with Lingua Lab. So guys, in today's lesson, we will explore about small talk in social interactions. You don't know about that these casual conversation that can make or break a social encounter. Let's dive in and explore some tips and example to help you master the art of the small talk. So, move on the topic. Let's get started. Segment 1, talking about the weather. So first up, let's start with one of the most common topics, the weather. Talking about the weather is a great way to break the ice and find common grounds with others. For examples, we have some casual sentences for this. So, nice day, isn't it? Oh, I love this time of year. Wow, it's really hot and cold. So, guys, these are a very unique and very concise way to say something about the weather which enhance your speakings. So now move on the another topic, which is small talk in hobbies. Talk about your interest and passion can help you connect with others and build rapport. Sorry for this inconvenience. For examples, what do you like to do in your free time or whatever what's your hobby, what are you fond of in any type of activity. So segment 2, talk about your interest. For example, you can say in this sense, oh really, I am really into this. For example, I am really into the hobby, for example, playing games on the keyboards or computer, or I have you tried gardening? So these types are a very a great and very concise way of talking about your hobbies. Now move on the another topic, which is current events. But wait, you have to be very mindful or sensitive to any controversial topics. For examples, did you hear about whatever recent news story about any country or about any scholar or about any politicians? Yeah. Or second sense, what do you think about? Or in the last, I am interested in, for example, Cold War between two countries. So have you heard about anything? So always remember to stay neutral and respectful. Always try to find the relative topics to the person you met. So now move on to topic segment 4, which is tips and practices. So now we have covered some topics. Let's practice. Try using these tips in your next social interaction. So tips and tricks to follow. Listen. Number 1 is listen carefully and respond thoughtfully. Ask open-ended questions. Find common grounds or keep your tune light and concise. So these are the video for the today, and hopefully you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel as well and hit the bell icon for more updated and advanced way to learning speak English with Lingua Lab. So keep motivated, keep learning. Bye bye.